Hello and welcome to the final video in our series on how to code Batmobile. Today we'll be exploring ArUco codes using the cards provided in your kit. It's really similar to what we did in a previous video with ball detection. Let's begin by connecting Batmobile to the PC, entering circuit blocks and clicking on New Sketch. Go to the Vision Block section and select the first block saying Set Detection None. Click on None and change it to ArUco markers. Next, in the Loops block section, look for a Loop Forever block and place it below the first one. This block will ensure detection is happening all the time. Now return to the Vision block section where you'll find the Detect block. Inside this block, we'll put everything we want to do after Batmobile is done detecting what's in front of it. Look for the If-Else block in the Logic block section. With this block, we'll check if something is detected with the camera. Now add Visions if ArUco marker is detected block. Let's code what happens if ArUco marker is detected. Since we wanted to print ArUco marker detected in the serial monitor at the bottom of your screen, we'll look for the print block and write down the text. Now search for another logic block, the first one, if do. Drag and drop it below the print block. Notice the blue gear icon. Click on it to reveal the additional options. Drag else if below into this white bubble. By doing that, you'll create a new logic block that looks like this. Using this block, you can code what happens when different ArUco markers are detected. Begin by selecting the comparison block. In the first part, put the Visions detected ArUco marker ID and set it equal to 636. That is one of the numbers found on your ArUco markers from the kit. When Batmobile detects this ArUco marker, the front lights will turn on. You can find the Turn On block in the I/O section. Now let's add another comparison logic block. Set the detected ArUco marker ID on one side and an ArUco marker ID on the other side. This time we'll use ID 576. When Batmobile detects this marker's ID, the front lights will turn off. Finally, add the time block labeled Sleep 500 milliseconds. The main logic block also has an else part that we need to fill in. Here you'll put what happens if Batmobile does not detect the ArUco marker. We'll simply make it write it down in the serial monitor. Add another sleep block with the time 200 milliseconds. The program will wait for only 200 milliseconds after each detection before returning to the beginning of the Loop Forever block and performing the detection again. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next guide.